What's poppin', y'all? It's your girl Barbie in the Cut, and I'm finally back again with another YouTube video.
Nigga, Jose the Great, courtesy of a rich nigga. My wrist, my bag, ride around in a lamb, courtesy of a rich nigga. My toes in the sand. You wanna buy a bitch land? I only fuck with rich bitches. Take trips to.
So today I'll be unboxing my iPhone 16 Pro Max, 256 gigabytes, black titanium. So I have this candle lit up, pink sand. This candle somebody got me. Let's get on with the video. Before we unbox my iPhone, I'm going to unbox 3 phone cases instead of making a whole separate video. Since I'm coming back to YouTube, I'm just going to make a 4-in-1, because why not? Alright, so these are all 3 things I'm going to be unboxing today. I'm gonna go ahead and start off with this phone case from Amazon. And unbox this, and I lost my screen protector, so therefore I have no idea where I put it. And now my phone's gonna have no screen protector for now. I don't know why it was already open. Just gonna. Okay. Oh my gosh. Wait, it comes with. Oh my goodness. Wait, it's metallic? Ew. Wait, it's not that bad. Bro, this phone seems so small. Like, you see how big my hands are, y'all? Like, I wanted a phone that's, like, bigger than my hands. You see how big my hands are? But they're pretty. Ooh. Oh, wow. I'm already getting fingerprints on this. Oh, goodness. Alright. Ooh, very nice. Which way should I put it on? This way? Oh yeah, it's definitely this way. Oh yeah, it looks so nice like that. Oh yeah, just like this. Okay, so then have screen protectors. Perfect. Let me not get this dirty either. We have this. I don't know where I'm supposed to put this, but it's pretty cute. So I'm gonna hold on to this. Thank God we were saved by this phone case. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I don't know why that took me 1,500 days, but we're not gonna talk about that. I was just struggling. I'm not sure why. Maybe because my fingers are slippery, but go ahead and cut this open. Oh. Okay, that's a start. Hey, okay then. Just making sure it said Chrome Hearts. Ooh. The detail. Can y'all get into that? Ooh, that looks so nice. And I got this black one, and then I also got this red one right here. I really like this one. Ooh, it's nice. Detail. Oh yeah, that's so cute. Oh my gosh. Ooh. These are super cute. Okay, so I have all 3 phone cases right here. Not sure what happens to all 3 phone cases right here. Super nice. I had to get a pink sparkling one. I'm probably gonna get a lighter color. This hot pink. It's not hot. It's more like metallic, and I don't really like that. But I really like pink, and I really like that, you know, that goth emo look. Cause you know, could tell from my nails. LOL. But yeah. So now let's get to unboxing the big boy. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I really wish that the phone was as big as this. Only because it's so big. I really like big stuff. So yeah, you already know my K's Boost Mobile. Y'all know that from unboxing my iPhone 16. I mean my iPhone 6 from like years ago. If you don't know about that video, just scroll down, you'll find it. Let's go ahead and open this. Ooh, super nice. I got black because black goes with everything. Okay then. Oh my gosh, look how nice it. Ooh. I ain't gonna lie, it looks really nice, y'all. I got this phone it came in the mail like 2 days ago. I just haven't opened it because my phone cases weren't here. Okay, wait, because this one is kind of big with the phone cases too. Alright, so I'm guessing this is indicating where the power stuff is. The buttons on the side. Then power. These cameras. I really want to see what these cameras are, but I only have the 11 right now. So, let's see how that is. Oh, also it comes with USB-C. Please tell me it comes with the SIM. It doesn't? Nah, that's crazy. What's going on, Apple? Not even the SIM card? That's actually crazy. But good thing I already have one, though. Imagine I didn't. Y'all can see me. So nice. Oh, I should put the screen protector on now, right? Yeah, let's put it on now, y'all. I don't want no air bubbles in this at all whatsoever. And I've never cracked my phones, ever. So, I really hope that's okay. That's on the outside. Okay. Don't be mad, but kind of left some air bubbles, but that's okay. I probably should let the professionals do this. I'm not a professional phone case screen protector. Put her on her. Not that. Just as long as that there isn't an air bubble on the camera part, I don't think I'll be okay. Time to turn it on. These phone cases are so cute. I don't know which one should I put on. White, black, or pink. Should I put black on black? Or should I put on... Oh yeah, that's solid. Or should I put on... Oh, there is no protection in this at all whatsoever. Oh goodness. I think I'll put on white. I figured that more. It's so rough with my phone. Oh yeah, I'm definitely feeling this more. For sure. I'm gonna keep this on. Sexy. English or Spanish? Ooh. Like everything. Should I set? No, I'm gonna set it with that another device. Almighty G, praise the Lord. Ooh, I forgot my password. Hold on. So guys, why did I just find out that there is absolutely no SIM card slot? Oh, they have like the little notches like the old phones, but there's no. How am I? Bro, I'm getting fingerprints all over this already. Oh my gosh. That's what happens when you have moisturized hands, y'all. Where am I supposed to put the SIM card at? I'm so confused. Oh my gosh, you know how long this is gonna take? Oh goodness. Bro, this phone case is sexy. I don't care. Like, if you're into Chrome Hearts and brands like that, like I am. Oh, and I have a Chrome Hearts jersey on the way. Oh my gosh. You can't tell me this isn't hard. Hold on, let me move all this stuff out the way. Phone's updating. And we're gonna see which one y'all think, oh shoot. Which one y'all think looks the best. Which one y'all think looks the best for my phone. Okay, I'm definitely gonna need a different phone case. The one that's like I need a phone case. It's like, this is my iPhone 11. Oh my gosh, my phone seems so little. But yeah, I need a phone case that's like silicone around the edges like this. I'm dead when this comes out for the 16 Pro Max. I'll definitely cop that. But for now, I'm just gonna try my best to just keep it safe. Oh, and it's already on. Oh, preparing update. But yeah, honestly, I think the one that looks best is this one. It's this phone case right here. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. The black is okay for black outfits, but in general, this one pops out to me really more. Maybe because it like goes really well with my nails, but I really like it. So I'm gonna keep that one on for now, but you guys let me know in the comments which one I should wear more often, because I like all of them. But I would love to hear from you guys instead. All right, I think it's finished updating, y'all. Set it for myself. But yeah, let me do Face ID. Let's do this. Y'all see me? Oh, let me do this right quick. Hold on, y'all. All right, so I don't want to transfer anything. I'm just started fresh. My full ID. I'm just put my number. Okay. Oh my gosh. I do not remember my password. Please be right. Okay, I got the code. Okay. Oh. What's that? Oh, that was my Apple Watch. I have AirPods as well. There I go. Agree. Don't even know what they're saying. I'm just trying to see how Apple Intelligence works, baby. Trying to figure out. I'm just trying to see how that goes. Oh shoot, let me stop. For my passcode. Clock that T. Is it not working? I just want to see a camera, y'all. We gonna see the camera quality. I'm gonna take a picture because I have my iPad right here. My iPad is right here, y'all. Okay, make this my new phone. Can you? Okay, let me set up my. Okay, let me scan this. Boost Mobile was still with them after like years. Oh. Oh. I'm so slow this one. Oh wait. Hold on. Hold on, y'all. Yeah, I just had some difficulty trying to settle everything, but I finally set it up, so now I have service. I guess this button for the camera, so I'm gonna try it. Ooh, bro, like my iPhone 11 is not showing like how good quality this is. What is it? Oh wow, I like that. Ooh, vibrant. Ooh. Okay then, Apple. That's what I really care about camera. I ain't gonna lie, because I like taking pictures. Since I'm a little into fashion. Y'all can follow my Instagram at Barbie. But I'm just trying to see like, so look, bro, y'all can y'all even I don't think y'all can tell how good the quality is. Let me see, HD 60. Oh, HD 120. Oh wow. Okay, with the flash. No flash. Okay, hold on, let me. But y'all don't understand, like, let me let it focus. Like, you can see every single thing. My goodness. Like, you can see everything. Wow. It's so nice. Honestly. Beautiful. But yeah, that's a really nice touch. I'm not gonna lie, Apple. Oh, wow, yeah. Apple did a big one. Camera. What else? Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Oh, Siri is not even set up. What am I doing? I'm gonna go ahead and set up Siri. Oh.
Speaking rate set to 100%.
Hey Siri. No, my iPad is going off. Why is it? How do I do Siri? Like, just press the. Hey Siri, Apple Intelligence. What? Why doesn't she speak though? Hey Siri. Hey Siri. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. So y'all, that is it for this video. I did enjoy unboxing my new phone as well as my phone cases. I thank you guys so much for staying till the end and watching my video. I've decided to come back to YouTube. It's been a minute and I realized that I love making YouTube videos whether people watch it or not. And yeah, that's all I have to say. Leave your feedback, constructive criticism, anything like that in the comments down below. And I want you all to have a very, very blessed day, okay? And remember that Jesus loves you, okay? Mwah.
The feelings back. I've been living fast, it's been spoiling me. I don't trust the bitches you recording me. I've been living fast, it's been spoiling me. I'm bringing my